Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today, I am pleased to present this ultra rare 2008 Toyota Tacoma X-Runner. These were very slick, very unique trucks in their time, and talks are possibly making a new one, but these are just so iconic. This one is very clean, has a little bit of miles, but only made for a couple years on the X-Runner, so it's very low production, pretty rare truck. As you can see, these nice, beautiful, clean and clear headlights, and then you'll notice the body kit all the way around. That was a factory setup. That's how these trucks are supposed to look. The wheels, however, are aftermarket. They are Vox wheels wrapped in Falcon tires that still have plenty of good tread life left. They're a couple years old, but they still look pretty good. It's all powered by the 4.0 VVTi V6 engine. This is one of the best six cylinders you can find on the used car market. Just absolutely stunning engine, just reliability for endless mileage, really. Just take care of it. But this one comes with the extended cab and two rear seats. It has factory floor mats in the back. This is all-weather floor mats up front. And power options include windows, locks, mirrors. Comes with the original owner's manual. And then the wheel lock for the lug nuts on these aftermarket wheels. This truck only had two previous owners, no reported accidents. Has tinted windows. You can see those nice wheel arches there, that nice body kit. Just such a beautiful truck, so unique. And unique side exit exhaust back here. Comes with drum brakes in the rear, so it's not four-wheel disc brakes, but it does have upgraded suspension. So from the factory, these come with nice Bilstein suspension shocks for the front and rear. As you can see the X-Runner badge there. It's all blacked out. That's how it's supposed to be. And then as you can see, just the extension of the body kit that wraps all the way around. And then bed liner, plug-in back there. Tailgate functions properly. No issues there. As far as the exterior paint goes, just a few rock chips on the front from just highway driving, and then the roof in the very center just has a little bit of fade starting. But that was pretty common for this body style Tacoma, just to have just a little bit down the middle there. But given the miles, it's not surprising. But and then any Florida ownership, of course, with the Florida sun. But it even has these nice little pockets here for the seat belts to go in, and then these are actually quite comfortable. Rear cup holders, has rear seat belts as well too. You see that nice paint, still has that beautiful metallic flake in it throughout. And then automatic window for the driver's side, but our power windows, locks, mirrors are up here, fog light switch, and then this is switching that voltage for that rear plug. You got interior illumination, all with a leather wrapped upgraded steering wheel from the factory, and then controls for the stereo. Some pocket storage here. The stereo, however, is aftermarket, so the likelihood of these controls working for it aren't really a possibility, but it's a Kenwood stereo system. It comes with auxiliary Bluetooth connectivity and 6-speed manual, and then just our emergency brake, cigarette lighter, charging port, and then standard AC controls. This one comes with factory keyless entry. Our only warning light we have on for this truck is the tire pressure. Not a surprise there, but no other warning lights. Brake lights on for the e-brake. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, and the AC is ice cold. Really nice. Upgraded speakers and sound system throughout, so the audio sounds really nice in the truck. And then dual vanity mirrors, and then dual map lighting, as well as two compartments up top, sunglass storage. But a couple chips in the windshield. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a few chips in the windshield just from that interstate driving. But it does come with Bluetooth for the aftermarket stereo. So some upgraded features, and then also the rain guards look really nice, kind of complete the look. But I mean, this is just such a unique looking truck here. I just absolutely love the X-Runner. I'm so pleased to finally have one advertised on the car lot, and this one is just absolutely beautiful, drives great, and such a great iconic truck. So you can find this super rare X-Runner exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.